Today we're building the Maximera drawers for the IKEA kitchen. Please stick with me through the build, as near the end of the video I'll demonstrate an easy way to remove the stickers from the glass inserts. First thing to do is grab the two side metal bars and click them into the back panel. Quick note, the flat channel on the sides and the back piece go to the bottom of the drawer. Next, slide the bottom board into place and secure it with a screw in the middle board. With this done, let's move on to the drawer front. When connecting your hardware to the drawer front, double check which holes the screws go into, as it differs depending on which type of drawer you're assembling. I had my instructions right on the drawer front I was working on to avoid mistakes. Now that the clips are attached, time to move on to the extension clips. With the extension clips attached, time to add the drawer front to the rest of the drawer. Line up the metal clips into the metal channels of the drawer side supports. When installed correctly, you'll hear a click. Time to connect the top rail of the drawer. The clip goes into the back of the drawer and clicks in here. The front slides into the rounded opening. Note, these top rails are specific to left and right only. Grab your plastic cover and plastic pin and install them. I found using a flathead screwdriver to push the clip in worked great. Push the slide covers into place. Alright, with that done, flip the drawer over and install the support bracket provided by IKEA. The bracket goes in the middle and attaches with 3 screws. Okay, onto the glass side panel install, but first an easy way to remove the stickers and residue. Take a razor blade and gently wiggle it back and forth. With the label removed, put some alcohol on a cloth and apply to the sticker residue. Rub the area until you have removed the residue. This will give you a nice clean glass surface. With the residue gone, that looks great. Now back to the glass panel install. The glass goes on the side of the drawers and inserts between the top rail and the base metal rails. Take the plastic clip and slide it over the end of the glass. The black plastic piece slips into that piece, clipping the glass panel in place. With the drawer all done, now install it on your rails. Last video I showed how to install the rails. Please watch that video, I have linked it in the description below. With the drawer lined up on the rails, push it about halfway in, and then wiggle it left and right as you continue to push. As you do this, you'll hear it click onto the rails. Thanks for watching. Please give a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe.